Wayengumengameli kulelizwe uThabo Mbeki uthi uma kulanyulwa impi kufanele kuqale kuqinisekise ukuthi alukho uhlangothi oluvunwayo kepha kuhlalwa phansi kubhekwe imbangela yempi ngaphambi kokuba kukhonjwe onephutha.
If you want to be a mediator, you can't start by condemning one side or the other. You've got to say, first of all, let's sit down. Silence the guns, let's talk. It's during the negotiations that then you can say, you were wrong, you were right. You can't start there.
Mbeki uthi kuyamjabulisa ukuthi uhulumeni wakuleli nowasemelika bakhombisa ukubambisana ngoba lamazwe amabili ayadingana.
I'm glad that we are engaging the South African government and the US government, even the governing party, the ANC, is engaging the Americans. I think it's very important that the two countries must talk and really find a solution in terms of, I think the relations between the US and South Africa are very important for both countries.
Odabeni lweSudan uthi uyakuthakasela ukuthi kukhona upholi basezwenikazi eAfrika obuthatha inyathelo zokuyogqugquzela ukuthula.
I've spoken to President Ruto, who is leading that team of negotiators. I think we're going to get movement with regard to the Sudan matter.
Uphethe ngokuthi ukubambisana neMelika kubaluleke kakhulu emnothweni wakuleli. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni zeSABC.